Sounds. Hey, what's going on YouTube? T5 here. We're going to see Summer of Sounds here in downtown Danville. Just going to check it out. Flip the 1080p spyglasses around. This is that downtown area, Summer of Sounds. This is North Street where that the art sip and paint is going to be Saturday at 4 o'clock. Looks like they got a few people out and about. Just going to cruise right on by. Don't know if I'm supposed to be here or not. Probably not. Looks pretty chill. Looks pretty chill. Let's see. No, we can still make it. We can still make it. Summer of Sounds. Up here is Fat Man's Warehouse. Not sure who all is out and about here. Looks like a few people. Oh, they're gonna have a band. We'll see. Maybe I'll see if Becky wants to come out. Yeah, pretty cool.
Hey, no boy.
What's up? Looks like a few people out. So that was Summer of Sounds, downtown Danville. Just a little quick inside look. That may be getting a little bit busier later. I don't know. Maybe we'll go check it out. I'm not sure. We'll see what the mood is after I get some dinner and see how I feel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And as always, I will see you very soon.